Hello AI Marketing Hub. Today I'm presenting you a super cool tool which is the YouTube Script Master. He is your AI partner for viral video scripts. This tool was requested by Alexander. So if you can see here the last post, I asked like, hey guys, you can ask me any apps you want and I will build them for you and I will deploy them so you can use them. So here Alexander wanted to have a YouTube script writer research hook script. This will help him build a skeleton for the content creation. So Alexander, this is specially for you. So this is the YouTube script master. I'm just going to put here how to harvest potatoes in 2025. I'm just going to choose here a short, a medium, or long. Here you can choose also okay, this is for the beginners, for the audience, and now the AI will work in this case scenario. But here is a very cool and interesting trick. So let me show you. So now the AI is generating the script. He is using Google search just for information. He's checking also YouTube to create this viral post. So it's not just AI generated, but it's research generated because here the AI has a specific system prompt that he is using to create this script for us. So straight away harvest perfect potatoes in seconds. Right here you can choose also the title that you want. So don't harvest potatoes until you watch this. Okay, and the #1 potato harvest hack for okay, I like this part. So here you can, if you want, you can regenerate them. You can also edit them. It's totally up to you. So afterwards, after everything, for example, here we have, well, let me go just pass through everything. Video title, which you can choose, video metadata, which you can also generate if you want to. You have the hook options. Here you have the complete script. You have the outro, the main content, etc. Then you have the thumbnail ideas, the video description template, and also you have the hashtag strategy and also engagement tactics included, and also the research insights for this case scenario. And also, by the end, you are able to receive these by email. So if you're going to go here, I'm just going to click this part here. I'll put even my email, agrisdaniel@gmail.com, as an example, and it will send the script to my email. So if I'm going to go right now to the email, as an example right here, straight away I will receive an email in just a couple of seconds. And email sent. Perfect. So if I'm going to refresh right now, let me refresh it once again. Boom, the email is right here. So same, if you're going to put your email, you're going to receive this here. If you're going to press on view full script, you will get the full script as an HTML, and you can easily, like, let's say, you can have it for reference or straight away copy it from there. So for the front end, and if you ask me like, hey Daniel, how did you build this app? Guys, I found a super cool loophole. So check it out. I built this app with AI Studio, yeah? So here everything process goes, it's using Gemini, API, search, etc. and so on. And also the cool part, I'm using and I hooked it to n8n. For me to build this app, it took me 2 hours, guys, 1.5, 2 hours. So check it out. When we are sitting there like, hey, send to email, this workflow is working right now. So if I'm going to press on executions, and if I'm going to press right here, and I'm going to copy to editor, so you'll be able to see straight away here, we're receiving the data from the webhook, and here we have how to harvest potatoes in 2025 and also that form data. And here we're just getting the webhook data, we're getting the script markdown, we're transforming to HTML, and we are creating this document right here. We will going back to n8n. Where are you, n8n? Here. And then we are saving also this data to Google Sheets. So now my submission, well, I'm going to get your email, guys, if you're going to put it. I will have it right here also inserted inside my sheets. Imagine how cool is that? And then we also get the email, which is sent basically this part right here as an HTML format, yeah? So I built this entire app in just 2 hours, well, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, just to create like this n8n workflow, etc. And then at the end, send the success response right here. So we get it right here. So this is a live link. You're going to find it inside the post that you will see, which I'm going to post right there. First thing first, Alexander, thank you so much for giving me the idea of this app. Also have so many app ideas. I've already like prepared them here for trendy apps, which I am planning now to build, and I'm going to share with all of you guys. So everyone being part of AI Marketing Hub, I will build a lot of apps, mini apps, full apps, and I think I will totally change my content creation. So it's not going to be like super complicated workflows from today on. It's going to be super simple workflows, but with all the hard stuff being done in AI Studio. So how to do that also is quite easy. You go to AI Studio, which is aistudio.google.com. You build your apps, which is basically your apps. You build them here. It's very simple. It's no rocket science right here. You can even check through that. I will guide you 100% later for sure on how to build these, but this is damn fascinating because what I did right now, I just built the app in AI Studio. I connected it through a webhook through n8n, and now I have a full serviceable app. So many more apps are about to come. So this is the first app. So this is especially for you, Alexander. Also for all of you. Well, first thing first, thank you for giving me the idea about the app because it saved me also time of thinking. So guys, you can use this app freely. You'll find the link right there. And if you want to have more apps, just let me know. I'll be here. And wow, impressive, just totally impressive. I will share also the app here. I mean, I'll share the app in the post. I'll share the n8n workflow in case if you want to replicate this app. And of course, you can easily, if you want, even monetize this app. So it's totally up to you guys. I will say basically that's it. I will make myself bigger as usual. Boom. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. AI Marketing Hub for the win. Bye bye.